Hey guys, what's happening? How to transfer ripples to Trust Wallet. So first of all, in order to use my platform to transfer ripples, I need to generate an address from Trust Wallet itself. So I'm gonna go ahead to the Trust Wallet app directly in order to basically generate an address which I can use to transfer the ripples. So I'm gonna hit receive right here, okay, under the main wallet, and then obviously select the coin ripples, right, and make sure to know the platform or the network that ripples use in order to send it to that specific network. Okay, go ahead and click the ripples, and then obviously you can take a screenshot or just hit the copy button in order to copy the address. Okay, after I copied it, I'm gonna go ahead and use whatever platform you trade in with. I'm gonna go ahead to Binance, right? And you're gonna see assets at the bottom right here. Okay, you won't miss it. Go ahead and click the assets, and basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to the crypto, right? And then click the ripples. Basically what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just go ahead and hit withdraw, the bottom middle button, and you can send via crypto network, that first option. And the same thing, you're gonna just paste, long press, okay, and select network, right? And obviously if you want to tag someone, you can just go ahead and tag and enter that withdrawal amount, okay, and then hit withdrawal. Okay, so let's put out in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and catch you in the next time.